Hello, today we will guide you through how to add text in Sejda PDF Editor. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Sejda website. Sejda is an online tool designed to help with a variety of PDF tasks, including editing documents directly in your browser. This makes it a convenient option if you want to quickly add or update text without installing extra software. Once you are on the Sejda homepage, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. It's free, and click on it. This will take you to the PDF editor, where you can upload your file and begin making changes. If you are using Sejda for the first time, take a moment to look around the page so you know where the main editing tools are located. Next, click on the Upload PDF File button. This opens the file selection window on your computer, allowing you to choose the PDF you want to edit. Make sure you select the correct document, especially if you have multiple similar files saved in the same folder. After that, browse for your sample PDF and open it. Once the file finishes loading, Sejda will display your PDF inside the editor. Depending on the size of the document and your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. When the PDF appears on screen, you are ready to begin adding text. Now click on the Text tool. This is the feature you'll use to place new text anywhere on the document. In many cases, you can click directly onto the area of the PDF where you want the text to appear. If needed, you can also adjust the placement afterward to make sure it lines up neatly with the rest of the document. Then enter your sample text. Type the content you want to add into the selected area. As you do this, pay attention to how the text looks on the page. For a cleaner result, try to match the surrounding formatting as closely as possible so the added text blends naturally with the original PDF. Once your text is in place, take a quick moment to review it for spelling, alignment, and readability. That way you can make any small adjustments before moving on. And that's how to add text in Sejda PDF Editor.